SASSA payment dates for April 2025 urgent update. SASSA beneficiaries, this is your final warning. Today, March 20th, 2025 is the last day your SASSA Gold Card will work. After today, your card becomes completely useless for withdrawals or payments. What does this mean for you? If you haven't replaced your Gold Card yet, your April 2025 grant will not be paid into that card. Instead, you'll have to collect your grant at the post office until you get the new Postbank Black Card. You can still replace your card after today, but until you do, you won't have access to your funds at ATMs or retail stores. To replace your card, visit any of the designated locations published by Postbank. If you're unsure where to go, call Postbank at 0800 53 54 55 for assistance. Now let's talk about April 2025 payment dates and how you can access your money. SASSA payment dates for April 2025. Here are the official grant payment dates for April 2025. Older persons. Grant, Wednesday, 2nd April 2025. Disability grant, Thursday, 3rd April 2025. Child support and other grants, Friday, 4th April 2025. These payments will not be made to your old SASSA Gold Card. Instead, they will go to your new Postbank Black Card. If you haven't replaced your card yet, you'll need to go to the post office in April to collect your grant in person. Where can you withdraw your grant? If you have the new Postbank Black Card, you can withdraw your grant from ATMs, withdraw from any ATM that accepts Postbank Black Cards, retail stores, cash out at major supermarkets like ShopRite, Pick n Pay, Boxer and Spar, bank transfers, transfer your grant to your personal bank account if needed. If you still have the old Gold Card, your only option is to visit the post office for your payment. Need help with card replacement? If you haven't replaced your SASSA Gold Card yet, you can still do so at designated Postbank locations. To find the nearest replacement site, check the official Postbank announcements or call Postbank at 0800 53 54 55. For general grant inquiries, contact SASSA hotline 0800 60 10 11 Postbank Assistance 0800 53 54 55. These numbers are toll free so you can get help at no cost. Final reminder, take action now. Today, March 20th, 2025 is the last day your SASSA Gold Card will work. After today, you will not be able to use it for withdrawals or purchases. April payments will only go to the new Postbank Black Card. If you don't replace your card, you must collect your grant from the post office. Act now to avoid unnecessary stress. Visit the designated Postbank locations to replace your card and secure your future payments. Share this message with your friends and family so they don't get left behind. Your grant is your right and you deserve easy access to it. Stay informed, take action, and ensure you get paid on time. Subscribe for more updates. Stay safe and take care.